and also comes with some instructions with some pictures. So what you're going to want to do with these is what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, or as always, if you're new here, welcome to the channel. Today I got another cool thing in the mail. My wife's getting mad at all these packages, but I'm pretty excited about this one. I told you guys about it, I think, in last Sunday's video, and I'm really excited about it. I think it's gonna be a real cool addition to the truck, and I'm gonna show you what it is right now. And here it is, guys. So what this is gonna do is it's a shock for your tailgate. So when you open it, instead of it just falling and knocking everything around, it's gonna slowly lower it down. Now the reason I got this is just it's gonna add like a cool newer feature to the truck that none of these had from the factory. So I'm really excited to get these installed. I will leave a link to these in the description below. This particular set is for an 03 to an 07 Classic Chevy, but they make them for all different kinds of trucks. So just look for your year. I got this off Amazon, by the way, and you can probably just look it up, but look for your year. I'm sure this company will have one, and this is basically a review on it. So let's get started installing this thing. Okay, so upon opening this feels real strong, real good quality. The pull is real tight. I can't pull it out by hand, so that's going to be good and strong enough to hold our heavy tailgate. It comes with all the hardware you need, and also comes with some instructions with some pictures. So what you're going to want to do with these is, I'm just kidding. So the instructions are telling me to take this one off, and then we're going to come over to here and take this one off. So we'll go ahead and unhook our tailgate from this one. And also, real quick, just for reference, I'm sure you guys know, but I'll do it anyways for test. Much as I hate to do it, this is all for science. So see the tailgate here? That's what I'm trying to get rid of today. So I'm gonna get taking this off. Now, if you don't know how to unhook your tailgate, it is very, very self-explanatory. There's a little clip here that you just pull up on. You push up on your tailgate, pull it forward, then that's free. So that's done. Kind of lay this over here, and then I believe that's a 13mm bolt. All right, now that's off. It was a 13mm, by the way. So then you can reach into your bag of goodies. Then you're gonna have these two little things. You're gonna have a flat washer, and then this. In the instructions, it's wanting the threads where it goes all the way to the top. It's gonna want it to go in like that, and then thread into the side here. And it's pretty cool because they also give you a little bit of thread locker. So we're gonna go ahead and apply these to the threads. You don't really have to go crazy with thread locker, but go ahead and just tighten that down. Alright, so that is installed now, nice and good with the thread locker in there. And now, with that installed, you can just go ahead and slip this back on like that. The piston is going to go over this and hold that in place, but I'm just going to leave that there now. We're not going to hook the piston up just yet. Next step is going to be this guy right here. I believe that one is a 13 as well. Careful doing this as well. I am very, very close to the paint. Alright, now that that one's off, what you're going to do is you're going to get this bracket. You're just going to put it in right about there. Okay, so as you can see here, I kind of had to waller out this hole a little bit. It's nothing with the kit. I have these aftermarket tailgate hinges. They're a little bit heavier duty, so I think that's what it is. They're just a little wider than factory. They don't have that divot that it's supposed to have, because these are supposed to sit flush in that divot. So I drilled it out, no biggie, just used the drill. And now, alright, bottom bracket is installed. By the looks of it, this piece is going to go up here like so, and this piece is going to come down here and attach to this one. we'll just put the bolts on. Up there like that. Up there, right there. Alright, so guess let's see if it clears the bed. It's honestly one of the things I'm afraid of because it looks like it's sticking out a little bit. Oh, nope. Clears it. Does it clear all of it? Alright. That is locked. Well, so there's that. Can't really even tell it's in there. Alright, so shock's in place. I guess it's moment of truth. There it is, you saw it. I'll put a before and after in there so you can look at that too. That's it, just that little guy adds a whole new touch to your truck. It's nothing really that I needed. It's pretty cool, at least I thought. I know a lot of the newer ones come with it. It's just one of those little modern touches you can add to your old truck, make it kind of feel newer, and honestly just makes it a lot easier. Now, I will say, it's a little tougher to put it up, because obviously you've got the shock fighting you, but I'd say like you gotta add maybe 5% more effort to do it, and then you open it, pull it down, and I mean that's it, guys. So again, if you want to buy this, I'll leave a link in the description down below. It's not just for these trucks, they have for all different types of trucks, so go check them out. Like I said, I'll see how it holds up. Definitely keep you guys posted about that. I think it's gonna be a wrap for today's video. Thank y'all for watching. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up button, hit that subscribe button if you want to see more. Let me know what you think about that, if it's a stupid mod or if you think it's kind of cool. Follow me on all my socials, Instagram, mainly really the only one. I think I have a Facebook page now. I have a channel email if you need to contact me for any reason. Any questions, comments, concerns, always leave them down below. I'll try to answer them to the best of my ability. So like I said, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.